crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thank you so much for stopping by today. And it is a Gina K day. The new kit is here, and it is called Relax and Have Fun. So we have that to look out. I got a couple of other things in here. There's a whole wide variety of different stamps, dies, background stamps, all kinds of good stuff this month. So be sure to go check out the release over at Gina K Designs. And a lot of everything except the kit is available at other online retailers like Simon Says Stamp, all that kind of thing. So I will list everything in here in the description box. I do have affiliate links, and I'll pull in any other links that I can find for you. So because we have the new kit, that means that last month's kit, which was the Floral Fix, which included the Mr. Fix-It set and the Ruffled Bloom set, which everybody just loved. Those are available now for individual sale. So you can go and pick those up. Let me just open this up. We'll get my slipper out. Alright, let's see. Okay. So with the Gina K products, every new release there are 2 new incentive sets that are stamps available for your choosing, and anytime you hit $75 in product, you are able to choose 1 incentive. If you want additional incentives, you need to place other orders. It's only 1 per order. So there are 2 stamp sets, and then the third option, I just want to show it to you because I happened to get it last month, is a little cardstock pack. And this is 20 sheets of layering weight white, and it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So these are great for little card panels. So you can either choose the cardstock, or you can choose one of 2 stamp sets. And also, now that it's the new kit, you can purchase the incentive sets from last month. So those are available now too. Alright, let me just grab this stuff out. Okay. Let's organize this a little bit. Okay, so the incentive set that I picked out, this is the Gentle Geranium. So we have a geranium spray, and then it says, "I'm here for you, and keep your face towards the sun and the shadows will fall behind you." So that is a great little sentiment there. So this will be fun to watercolor, or you know, if you used colored pencils or anything like that, this would be a great one to color in. And the incentive stamp sets do have die sets. You do have to purchase them, but they do have them available. So in this case, it cuts out the floral and the 2 sentiments. So you need to make sure to put this in your cart if you do want the matching die set. Alright, we also have, this one is Birthday Wishes. Look at this set. This is fabulous. A lot of great different happy birthday fonts and different sayings for the insides of cards. A lot of happy birthday, and then we have, "May all of your birthday wishes come true. Hope your birthday is extra special just like you. Best wishes to you on your special day." And then we have a little cake and a candle. So lots of fun stuff. I like this vertical one. And then you can get the matching die set for that. And you have a die for all of these. So that's fabulous. This would be a great staple to have in your collection. You've got a happy birthday that would match any style card that you were doing. And then we have, this is a background stamp. This is the Tangled Garden Background. And I just like the roses and the daisies. These are so pretty. I love the vines. This would be another great, you could do heat embossing, do tone on tone kind of thing. You could do like the pigment powders and do a really cool background with that. Lots of great options. This one is the Sentiments Sheets Life is Grand, and they're all grand related things. So grand, grandpa, grandma, grandson, grandchild, life is grand, grandmother, grandfather, granddaughter. And this can be used with the all-in-one plate die. So that is a great option for you. So this will cut out, it's just like one thing, and it'll cut all these out all at once. Or you can use a paper trimmer, or if you have the strip sentiment dies, you could also do that. So that is awesome, and you can add these to anything, even like I'm here for you, grandma, or something like that. Alright, here's the kit. Very exciting. Let's see. Oops, we get the map right on the top. I love it. Let me pull these out of here. Alright, so this is the Relax and Have Fun card kits. These are all the things included. And keep in mind, if there's something in here that really piques your interest, but you don't really want to get the whole kit, at the next month's release, all of these pieces will be available individually. So if there's something that you really want, you can get that next month. But Gina's kits are an amazing value for everything that you get. So, alright, this one has Next Gen Stamp Set, Next Gen Die Set, the Great Outdoors Stamp Set, Happy Hibiscus Layering Stencils, and then your free gifts over here are the Spice of Life Stamp Set and the Spice of Life Die Set. So let's check those out. Lots of great things in this kit. Let's see, they're all kind of... Alright, so Gina was saying that the idea of this kit is that to have a kit that would be applicable to everybody. So you have different kid, teen, 20-year-old kind of things, but then there's also a Polaroid, there's video games, there's a phone, there's a journal, there's a scooter, coffee, Stanley Cup, so between this one and this one, then you have the ability to make cards for pretty much everybody. So that was the thought behind this kit. This one is called Next Gen, and it's got all kinds of gaming, phone things. Like for the phone here, you have the text bubbles, and there's actually little tiny sentiments in here that will fit in those bubbles. So you could have a little conversation on here, have a great day, happy birthday, or I love you. So that would be really fun. And then all different kinds of cousin, daughter, nephew, son, niece, boy, girl. I'm so proud to call you my, fill in the blank. We have books. And I love, the emojis, like the smiley faces. That's so cute. Journal, like a latte, a little Polaroid, a gamer headset. So lots of great stuff. And then this one has a die set for all of it. So that's really cool. You could do something really fun with the phone. that's great. So we have that. And then this one is called The Great Outdoors. This does not come with a die set because it's more like a silhouette or layering kind of situation. So it would be one layer kind of effect. You probably could cut these out, you know, with fussy cutting if you wanted to. But we have people golfing, we have the golf flag, kind of mountains and hills, trees, fishing, golf bag, birds, and bicycling, and we have like kind of a rocky coast sort of thing. So there's enjoy your retirement, enjoy your special day, happy birthday. So a lot of really good things, and you can layer these on top of each other to do different outdoor scenes, so that is really cool. Alright, and then the next one, this is for our free gift in the kit, and this is the Spice of Life. So this is a really cool idea, and you get, what is this, 16 different kinds of spices and herbs and things like that, and you get this little frame down here, and then there's also kind of punny sentiments down here. We have season's greetings, because they're seasonings. You spice up my life. It's your birthday, time to celebrate. You're superb, and thanks for helping me grow. And the spices or the seasonings, you have garlic, dill, tarragon, coriander, rosemary, basil, thyme, nutmeg, cumin, ginger, saffron, cinnamon, bay leaves, parsley, sage, and oregano. And in the release video, Gina was showing that she has actually used this with these to make markers for her plants that she's growing. So that is a really great idea. She also was showing how she packages, she had a package of bay leaves that she had made a label for it using this with the bay leaves, so she could give that as a gift. So that's a great idea as well. But this will make just like a really cute, if you cut out a couple of, maybe 3 of these and stamped in your favorite, and then you could kind of alternate them on a card front. So that would be really cool too. So this is very a unique set. It's very cute. I like it a lot. And then the die set cuts out that frame, and then the sentiments. Alright, and then on this one, this is a 4-piece layering stencil. I'll show it to you, and this is the Happy Hibiscus. And I'll just turn it so that you can hopefully see through all the layers there. So we have the bigger portion, the inner portion, we have the leaves and the stamen, and then the other leaves. So, and if you look here, that's such a beautiful flower. Very tropical. Alright, so that is that. I think we've made it through. So we have our Happy Hibiscus, we have our free gift, Spice of Life, Great Outdoors, and Next Gen bundle, and that is in our Relax and Have Fun card kit. The incentive I got this month is the Gentle Geranium, and I picked up the die set for that. I have the sentiment sheets, Life is Grand, the Tangled Garden Background, and the Birthday Wishes bundle, which I think will be a great addition. There are additional background stamps. There's a dotted stamp. I think it might be sold out now, but you could put your name on the notify list. I know that a lot of people were interested in the Ruffled Blooms set from last month. Be sure to put your name on the list. I think the embossing folder might be out, but you can get the stamp set. So go and check that out. And always, if there's anything that is, you know, out of stock, be sure to put your name on the list to get notified, so when it comes in, then you can purchase it at that time. So that is it for today. Here's the new kit and a little bit of add-on goodies, so go check out this new release. There's a lot of great stuff that I didn't get from the other designers and from Gina herself as well. Again, I'll list everything I showed today in the description box, and come join me on Facebook, Pinterest, and my new blog. That's at egidesigns.com. And if you found value in today's video, if you could hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you as a subscriber and part of my crafty community. Alright, till next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.